guys! Welcome back once again. I'll be happy to share with you my own version of making cassava balls. So come on and join guys. Let's start making it. So guys, here are the ingredients on how to make cassava balls. I got here ready to mix grated cassava, which is approximately 3 kilograms. And we need only half cup of white sugar and half cup of this coconut milk. And of course, I got here banana leaves, which we will use later when we'll do the steam here. And I got 3 food colorings here. I got the yellow, the green, and the red, and the desiccated coconut for our coating. So as you can see guys, it's very simple and easy ingredients and very affordable, and I will show it to you shortly how to start making it guys. So guys, this is my grated cassava. I'll just put it on a strainer so that all the remaining bits will be drained. So just be sure that we wash our hands thoroughly before doing this so that it will be clean and healthy. So this is the first step on how to make cassava balls. So we're nearly done guys. Just finishing this shortly before we mix the other ingredients. I will be coming back to you once this is done. As you can see guys, we are now ready to mix the other ingredients for our grated cassava. I got here the half cup of sugar and just 200 ml of our coconut milk. So we just have to incorporate this all together and mix thoroughly, and then I will have to divide this into 3 parts, and we're gonna add on the food coloring thereafter. So I will show it to you soon when it's done. Guys, I now mix all together the coconut milk and the sugar with the grated cassava. So we just have to mix it thoroughly guys so that it will be even, and then we have to divide it into 3 parts. As soon as this is all incorporated thoroughly, then we're gonna add the food coloring. Alright guys, we just need 1 tablespoon of food coloring, the color green, which I mixed it here already, and this is red and this is yellow. So we just have to incorporate it together. If you want it to be a bit darker guys, you can add more, 1 and 1/2 tablespoon. And after this one, if this is gonna be thoroughly mixed, we have to make a small ball. I think we can use 1 tablespoon to make a circle. And I forgot to inform you earlier guys, on my steamer I put the banana leaves so that it will be more tasty and delicious when it will be steaming for 40 to 45 minutes. So this is our outcome of the cassava that we thoroughly mixed earlier. And by the way, if you want it a bit sweet, isn't it I told you earlier, it's 1/2 cup of sugar. You can add a bit more, or you can double the 1/2 cup to 1 cup. So it depends on your taste if you want it to be a bit sweet or just about. So me, I just add on another half cup of sugar so that it become more sweet. So this is now the color green. We got the color green. We got the color yellow. So we'll incorporate the red one now. Yeah. So this is the red one. So when this is all incorporated well, we will come back to you. Then we will start making the balls. This is now ready to be put on the steamer. I got here the color red, which I make it into a ball. So we're just gonna put it up there. Then we have the yellow in there, and the green. So we just have to put it on 45 minutes, guys. So 45 minutes, and we will come back when it is done. Alright? Welcome back, guys, and now it's revelation time. This is now the finished product of my cassava balls. Before that, we just have to roll it in the desiccated coconut so that it will look nice like this. So I have the green, the red, and the yellow. So let's taste this one, guys. I got one here, color red. So let's taste it. Mmm, so yum, delicious. One more. Mmm, it's so yummy. Guys, try this at home. It's very simple, easy, and affordable ingredients. And I highly recommend this one for the kids' snacks. And this is, by the way, my own version. And if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, you have to hit the notification bell icon down below for more updates on our channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone and keep safe. Bye!